All right, so for our next one here, number 11, ask us to select the correct slope choice before. Now, I know that B is not going to be the answer because for slope to be undefined, I would have to have a vertical line with undefined slope. All the x values are the same. And since my x values are not the same, I know that the slope can't be undefined. So I know that that first one there is not, or choice B is not a correct choice. So I'm just going to do my slope formula. My change in y, -6 minus a -14. Minus a negative turns that into a plus, over the change in x, -5 minus a -9 turns that into a plus, and that's going to give us a 4. 8 divided by 4, the slope is 2. Number 12, ask us to find the slope and the y-intercept of the line. I think probably the easiest thing for this is to take this equation, -3x minus 8y equals 24, and put it into slope-intercept form. And then we'll be able to answer those two questions. So I'm going to leave the -8y where it is. I'm going to bring the -3x over. It will become positive. I'm going to divide everything by -8. And so I'm going to get y is equal to a -3/8x minus 3. And so my slope will be -3/8. Remember that x is not part of the slope. The x and the y here are ordered pairs that fall on the line. So we don't want to put x in there when it asks us for the slope. And then the y-intercept is the point, and the y-intercept is right here, the point 0, -3. All right, for number 13, it asks us to graph the equation. Try to get a little straighter here. There we go. And so this is given to us in point slope form. So if I look at this, the slope, remember that in point slope form, that we look right here for the slope. And so therefore the slope here is -2. And then my point is my x1 and my y1 right here. And so this is going to be the point 1, 2. So I'm going to go to the point 1, 2 right here. And then I'm going to take and use the slope, which is going to be a -2. So I can move down 2 into the right one and continue that pattern. Or I can move up 2 into the left one. And there is my line. Here it asks us to write the equation in standard form using integers. And so remember, standard form, we first need to know that that is ax plus by is equal to c. So I'm going to take in this equation, y equals -4/7 x minus 2. I'm going to move that -4/7 over and make it a positive 4/7 x. And then I know that in standard form I need to get rid of that fraction. So I'm going to multiply by the denominator. Remember, I've got to multiply everything in the equation. And so then my answer is going to be 4x plus 7y equals -14. And that would be my answer in standard form.